I don't want to be rude or something, but I really do not like other people's choices. The last one has a special corner. Now it's going to be so easy for all of you. I used to be so clueless about what to gift my friends, male friends in general. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope y'all are doing good. So today in this video I'm going to be showing all the gifts that I got on my 18th birthday. So if you do not already know, I turned 18th on 6th of July and I got lots and lots of gifts. So I'm going to show them to all of you one by one. So let's begin. Now you can watch this video from an informative perspective in case you're wondering what to gift your friends on their 18th birthday or birthdays in general. You can watch this video, but also like I am going to make a video separately on what to gift your friends or people you love maybe on their birthday. So make sure that you check out that video as well, and for that you need to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that whenever I post that video you get a notification of that, because that video is going to be very very useful, because I used to be so clueless about what to gift my friends, male friends in general, and now it's going to be so easy for all of you. So make sure that you watch that video. But for this one, let's quickly start showing all the gifts that I got. So the first gift that I got on my birthday is obviously my birthday dress, which I'll pop the picture here. It is a very basic birthday dress given to me by my mother. It's bought offline from Reliance Trends, and it's a very flowy, cutesy, coquette core dress. It has pink bows all over it and it's very pretty cute. I wanted my birthday dress to be very subtle, and because around my birthday, obviously it rains outside, but it's also very hot. So I really do not want to wear something that will, make me feel irritated, and I wanted very pink and sober vibes. So I got that, and that's the first gift that I got. That's from my mother. And the second dress, which is also a gift that I got, is from my Masi, which is this dress I'm wearing right now. It's a very pretty dress. It's from Annabelle by Pantaloons, and she gifted to me. She bought it offline herself. She also matched these earrings with this dress and gifted to me, and she also gave me a bracelet and a ring, which is also similar, which I don't have right now, but it's very pretty. And she matched all of this and gifted to me. I'm someone who does not like, clothes as gifts, because I genuinely like, I don't want to be rude or something, but I really do not like other people's choices. But this one, like, my Masi has really good taste, and she always gifts me some fashion element every year. So last year she gifted me a bag, if you remember. So I like her choice, and I really love the dress. Today I wore it to a birthday party and I got so many compliments. So you can just Google search it if you want. This is an offline bought dress. I don't think I'll get it online, but if I do, I'll link it down below. You can check that out. And I got so many compliments. This dress is like, it's fab. I really like it, and I love the way it fits me. So yeah, that's all about the dress. And I got another dress which is a little bigger than my usual size, so I got it altered. I don't think I have it right now, but I'll pop a picture if I get it. So all these dresses are bought offline, so there's no point showing any of this because you will not get the link. Now coming to the most important part of my birthdays is that I get so many books, okay? And even this year I got so many books, like not so many books, I got only 3, but the fact that all these books are the ones that I really wanted to buy, that made me so happy. So I will show every gift one by one. So I will save my favorite gift at the end. All of these are really nice gifts, but the last one has a special corner. So I will show that at the end. But first, let me start with the gifts that I got from my friends. So this is Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yaros, and it's a fantasy book, romance and fantasy book, given to me by one of my friends. His name is Shornabo, and this is a very good book, and the cover looks really good. And I got this. It's a trilogy. There are 2 more parts which I'll buy after reading this one, but I got this recommended by one of my sisters, and I really think, like, she's a big time book lover, and I'm sure that this particular book is going to be bomb. So I got this one, and I'm so happy. This was there on my TBR for a very long time, and I'm going to finally read it. The second book that I have is Anxious People by Frederick Backman. This is given to me by my friend Aman, and this book is also a very very good book. I have a feeling about it. I have heard people talking about it also. It's a good book, but I recently read My Friends by Frederick Backman, and I fell in love with the way he writes. So I'm just gonna read this. I know this is gonna be good. So that's it for the gifts from my friends. Now you must be wondering how many friends I have. I have a lot of friends, but this birthday was only for my close friends. So I called 3 of them, and 3 of them gifted me books, 2 of which I've already shown to you, and the other one will be shown at the end because that's my favorite gift of all the gifts that I've gotten. Now the next gift is the most useful, to be very honest. I'm just so grateful. Thank you, Diya Didi, if you're seeing this. I got this. Sorry, I cannot scream here. You guys are probably using headphones. But I got the Digitech tripod. Like, this was on my content creation, shopping list for a very long time. And I really wanted to get a good sturdy tripod. And I finally have this. It's from Digitech. Let me show you. It's a very sturdy and heavy duty tripod. It comes with a handle which you can hold and lift it. It's lightweight, but it's also very sturdy. So the last one I had, it was only like one rod, and it's kind of weird because it does not have supporting stand. Like, this has three, like, it's tripod for a reason. That was just named a tripod, but the utility was not that much. But this one is a really good tripod, and this is, if you're wondering, it is Digitech's DTR 490 lightweight, and I got this. This was in my wish list for a very long time, and I had to get it, but they very kindly gifted this to me, and I'm so happy. And the tripod was really, like, and the tripod is really good. I've used it for twice or thrice, and it is really sturdy. And I need to figure out the other systems that I have, but I'll make a detailed video on it later. That and a lot of other content creation stuffs that I got recently, so I'll make sure that I upload that video very soon. I am procrastinating making videos so much. I should stop that. So moving on to the next part, which is the most special gifts that I own, and I'm so excited. Okay, so there are a lot of gifts, so I'll need to pin this mic, otherwise I won't be able to show them to you. Okay, so starting with the first gift that, okay, so let me just collect all the gifts together and then I'll show it to you. So I have one of this.
And then I have, it's open by the way, and then I have this, and then I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this, and I also have this, I have these two.
So I'll break it down all to you so that you can understand. The first thing that he has gifted me is this book. It's The Book Thief by Marcus Zusak. And this was also there in my TBR for a very long time. It's a really good book, I've heard. I will be obviously giving a review later. But for this video, this is the book that I got. It has a very pretty cover. It's a glossy cover. Not a fan of glossy covers, but the other version was not available. But what's in the cover when I know that the book is going to be good? So this is the first gift that I got. Did I tell you that who gifted all this to me? I think I started showing it right away, but all of this is gifted to me by Aronok. That was the first gift, and the second gift is actually very thoughtful. Actually, all of them are thoughtful, but this I really found, very cute that he... I don't know how he coordinated all the gifts. I really love it. So the second gift that he has gifted me is this, very sweet smelling, and it's a very large, decent sized candle, which is in the fragrance English Lavender and Sage. Lavender is my favorite color and also my favorite fragrance. So he gifted this candle to me. It smells amazing. And it also comes with a dust cover, which is very thoughtful of the brand to give, because my candles get dirty. And he gifted this to me because he asked me to light this candle whenever I'm reading The Book Thief. And that's so thoughtful. I mean, I am not a person, like, I really do not burn candles and then read a book, but now I will. This is so cute. This is so thoughtful, and I really love it. It is mostly there on my table because I love smelling it at times, and it reminds me of him. So this will stay here on my table. And the next thing that he has got me is actually are stationaries. I love stationaries, okay? Pen, pencil, and everything cute and that adds a little whimsy to my life. I love all of those things. And because I love stationery, he got me stationery. So the first thing he got me are these sticky notes. These first few sticky notes are pink in color. So he got me that because I like pink. And he got me the sticky notes. Also, heart shape. Absolutely whimsical. And then he got me purple sharpener with dust storage. Very cute, very demure, very thoughtful. And the next thing is he got me a bunch of pen and a very cute pencil, which is very cool, like reminded me of my childhood. I really love stationeries and he got them. Also, the colors are so pretty, like gray, white, and then pastel pink, all the colors that I love. So I guess I got lucky. And the next thing, my favorite part, okay, handmade gifts. I love handmade gifts. The first thing is, obviously, this is mandatory, a letter on my birthday with a little heart. This is so cute. So I'm watching, like, I'm going through all these gifts for probably the 8th or 9th time, because I keep opening them once in a while to read all he's written about me. So I'll obviously not show the letter to you, but just for context, He has written so much for me, and he does that every now and then. He writes me something, which is very cute. Even though we talk on over text most of the time, but he writes something for me every time he meets me, so that is cute. The next thing that he made for me are these cute mini letters. Please count the number of times I say cute in this video. He got me these mini letters, like there are mini letters inside. This is one, like please pay attention to the detail. And there are multiple more letters inside, and each letter says one reason why he loves me, which is very cute. So these are all the gifts that he made for me. There are more, wait. The next thing is he printed some very cute pictures of us together and sealed it with this heart. This is also very cute because I love photos of us, and I don't think I have anything printed. So he printed this picture, then this picture, then this picture, then this picture, then this picture. All of these are very cute pictures, and he printed all of them for me to keep, and I love it because obviously I love printed pictures. I just hate the fact that we keep pictures on our phone. Like I do print them from time to time, but I just forget because I don't know. That's sad actually. And then this very cute gift. So you open it, and it's basically a roll of all the pictures starting from my childhood to now that I'm very old. So I'll show it to you one by one, like he made it. The very first picture, which is right after I was out of my mother's belly. Then this picture where I went to a trip to a beach with my parents. Very cute. The next is I went to Bishnupur with my parents. I was also very small at the time. The next is my mom's first scooty. And then a random picture. Makes no sense, but yeah, cute. Then is my 5th birthday's picture. It's a very cute picture and I love this one. And then probably it's his favorite picture. This is very cute with a little camera on around my neck. And then this picture, it is during lockdown. This was the time when we used to talk a lot. So yeah, cute. And it's one of my recent pictures. It's another very pretty picture that I have. And then this picture, it is also a very pretty picture. And yeah, all of that. He also got me another picture printed, which I am using as a photo on my desk, which is this one. It is also a very nice picture. All of this was printed by him and he gifted to me in this form. And I really like it. I mean, I just got lucky. That's all I had to say. This was my favorite part. I was so excited to see, what all gifts is like. I know that he makes gifts for me every year, but I was waiting, like, what is he going to bring with him? And I'm so happy after seeing all these gifts. So yeah, that's it for all the gifts. I wish I had more. No, I'm just kidding. I, intentionally kept my birthday very intimate and close, and I really did not want many people to be there on my birthday other than my close people. So that's all for this birthday. And as I said that I am going to make a video because I think, okay, I'll talk about this in the intro of the next video. Let's just not spoil it. So yeah, I am going to make a video separately on all the gifts that you can give to your loved ones on their birthday. But this was it for my birthday, and hopefully I'll come back next year with more gifts. If you guys are listening, obviously you are, please make sure that you give me more gifts next year. Thank you. Bye. Signing off.